Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Skill. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here with us today. I hope you're feeling relaxed. Maybe you're listening with a hot coffee or tea.
That sounds perfect. Today feels like a slow Saturday morning. The kind where you stay in your pajamas a little longer and just enjoy the day.
Yes, and we have a very warm, comforting topic today. We are talking about feelings. How to talk about your feelings in English. This is so helpful for beginners.
Feelings are part of everyday life, so it's important to learn how to say them clearly. And don't worry, we're going to keep today's conversation simple, slow, and cozy, just like a friendly chat between two good friends.
Exactly. So John, let's start easy. How are you feeling today? Today I feel calm. Very, very calm. I woke up early, the sun was shining, and I made a big breakfast. So, yeah, I feel calm and happy.
That sounds lovely. What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs, toast, and a little fruit. Oh, and a big cup of coffee. The coffee alone made me about 40% happier.
Just 40%?
Okay, maybe 60%.
There we go. Coffee has strong emotional power.
True. How about you, Olivia? How are you feeling today?
I feel peaceful. I didn't rush this morning. I took my time, stretched a little, and listened to soft music. It felt really good.
That sounds perfect. I think we should all start our mornings like that.
So, let's start with simple feelings. These are feelings you can use every single day.
Yes. The first ones we use all the time are happy, sad, tired, hungry, and thirsty. Easy, simple, everyday feelings. For example, Olivia, when do you feel happy?
I feel happy when my room is clean, when my cat sits on my lap, or when I eat something warm and delicious.
Ooh, same. A clean room makes me so happy. Like, I suddenly have my whole life together.
Yes, and you can say, I am happy, or I feel happy. Both are correct.
Now what about sad? When do you feel sad, Olivia?
I feel sad when I say goodbye to someone I love. I feel sad when my plant dies because I forgot to water it.
Oh, the plant one is very real.
I know. I always feel sorry for the little plant. I say I'm sorry, plant. I tried.
At least you talk to it.
Plants like that.
They do.
Let's talk about tired. This one is super important because many students feel tired.
Yes. Tired from work, tired from school, tired from studying English. How tired are you today, Olivia?
Honestly, just a little tired. Not too much. I slept okay last night, but I woke up once because my cat knocked something off my table.
Classic cat move.
Exactly. I love her, but she thinks the night is a fun time to explore everything I own.
When I feel very, very tired, I say exhausted, right?
Exhausted means extremely tired. For example, I am exhausted after moving furniture, or I am exhausted after a long day at work. But if you're a beginner, just use tired. It's perfect.
Okay, now the stomach feelings. Hungry and thirsty. So important. I am hungry almost all the time.
Same. Food is life.
I feel hungry when I smell fresh bread. Even if I just ate, I still feel hungry.
Bread is powerful.
It really is. Today, I'm not hungry, but I am thirsty. I forgot to drink water this morning.
Oh, no, John. Hydration is important.
I know, I'm trying.
Now, let's move into bigger feelings. Stronger feelings. Feelings that shake your heart a little.
Like excited.
Yes, excited is when you are very happy about something that will happen soon. For example, I feel excited when I buy a ticket for a trip. What makes you excited, Olivia? Honestly, I get excited when I try a new recipe. I love cooking. So, when I find something new, I feel excited to try it.
Oh, nice. What did you cook last?
A simple soup. Carrots, onions, potatoes, garlic. Super easy, but very comforting.
Ooh, that sounds cozy.
I feel excited when I start a new book. I love the feeling of opening a fresh chapter.
That's a good one. Another strong feeling is nervous. Nervous is like worried, but smaller, a little scared, a little unsure. When do you feel nervous?
I feel nervous when I have to meet new people. I'm friendly, but before the meeting, my stomach feels a little strange.
I feel nervous when I speak on a stage. My hands get cold.
But you're great at speaking.
Thank you. But still, my body gets nervous. It's normal.
Now a feeling most of us don't like. Angry.
Yes, angry happens when something is not fair or not good, and you feel strong negative emotions. I feel angry when someone is rude to another person.
I feel angry when I lose something important like my keys. I check everywhere. My bag, my pockets, the counter, and they're not there.
Relaxed is such a good feeling. I think many people want more of it.
Sometimes we feel more than one feeling at the same time.
Yes, very normal. For example, you can feel nervous but excited at the same time.
Like the first day of a new job.
Exactly. Or you can feel tired but happy. That's like me after a fun day with friends.
Or sad, but proud, when you watch someone you love grow up.
Feelings can be mixed, and that's okay.
Now let's talk about feelings about other people.
Good idea. For example, I feel sorry for someone. That means you understand their pain or you wish they were doing better.
For example, I feel sorry for my friend. He is sick today.
Another one is happy for you. This is a great feeling. You feel happy because someone else is happy.
For example, I'm happy for you. You got a new job.
Lovely.
Let's talk about 3 more feelings: confused, bored, and stressed.
Confused means you don't understand something. I feel confused when I try to build furniture with complicated instructions.
Same. Step 4, never makes sense.
Step 4 is always the problem.
Now, bored is when you have nothing to do.
I feel bored when I'm waiting at the airport for a long time.
I feel bored when my internet is slow.
And stressed is when you have too much to do or too many things in your mind.
I feel stressed when I have many tasks and not enough time.
Same, but making a list helps me.
Me too.
One more feeling. Lonely. Lonely means you are alone and you don't want to be alone.
I feel lonely when my friends are busy and I have no plans.
I feel lonely when I travel alone for many days.
It's okay to feel lonely, but talking to someone helps. Now let's teach a simple structure you can use every day. Listen carefully.
I am plus feeling, or I feel plus feeling. Very simple.
For example, I am happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I am excited.
You can also add a little very, super, kind of, really.
Examples. I am a little tired. I feel very happy. I'm really excited. I feel kind of lonely.
These small words help describe the feeling better.
Let's do a small story to show feelings in action. Something simple and easy.
Great idea. Do you want to start?
Sure. So, yesterday, I woke up early. I felt tired at first, but then I made coffee and I started to feel better. I went outside for a walk. The air was fresh. The sky was bright, and I felt happy. Later, I met my friend for lunch. She brought me a small gift, and I felt very surprised. After we talked for a long time, I felt relaxed and calm. But when I came home, I opened my email, and I saw a message from my boss, and suddenly I felt nervous.
Oh no. Why nervous?
It was just a simple message. Nothing bad. But sometimes emails make me nervous.
Same. The email sound is scarier than a horror movie sometimes.
Exactly.
Can I tell a story, too?
Of course.
Okay. Last weekend, I wanted to cook something new. I felt excited. I found a recipe for homemade bread. But when I started mixing the ingredients, I felt confused. The dough looked strange. Very strange. I checked the recipe again and realized I forgot the water.
John.
I know. So I added the water, but then it was too wet. And then I felt frustrated, but I kept trying. After 1 hour, the bread was finally ready. When I tasted it, I felt proud. Very proud.
I love that. Okay, listeners. Now it's your turn. We will say a sentence. You guess the feeling. Ready?
Number 1. I have so much homework and not enough time.
Stressed. Good.
Number 2. Tomorrow I will go on vacation. I can't wait.
Excited. Yes.
Number 3. I don't understand this math problem.
Confused. Nice.
Number 4. I miss my friends. I'm alone tonight.
Lonely. Yes.
It's time for our question of the day. Today's question is, what is one thing that made you feel happy this week?
Think about something small. A drink you liked, a message you received, something nice someone did for you. Olivia, what made you happy this week? This week, I got a small letter from my cousin. She wrote, "I miss you." That made me feel very happy and warm inside.
Ah, that's sweet. For me, I felt happy when I cleaned my room and lit a candle. It smelled like vanilla. The room felt so cozy.
Nice.
So, everyone listening, tell us in the comments. I felt happy when...
Thank you for spending this relaxing time with us today. We hope you learned something new and feel more confident talking about your feelings. Remember, it's okay to feel many different things, and using simple English is totally fine.
Practice a little bit every day. Speak out loud, write sentences, or listen to this podcast again.
We'll be back soon with another cozy English conversation.
Until then, stay relaxed, stay kind to yourself, and have a beautiful day.
This is Olivia and John from English Skill.
Bye for now.